Hello friends, welcome back, and if it's your very first time, you're most welcome. And in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit on Quotex.com using BTC, and I'm going to first show you how to buy BTC from your bank account to Binance. All right, how to deposit BTC on your Binance, and then from Binance you can deposit it to Quotex.com. All right, so you just go to you sign in your Binance account, and then you click on where there is wallet and stuff like that. So you see, you click on BTC and then on buy with your currency, your local currency. Okay, so I'm buying 550 AED. So you choose the payment method, whether using Google Pay. I'm using the card that I already attached, and I'm going to leave the link below in the comments for Binance and Quotex if you want to sign up. They work, both of them. They'll make your work easy. Okay, and that's it pretty much. So you just confirm, and in few in few minutes the crypto will have been realized in your account, in your Binance account. Okay, so you can view wallet, and it's just so fast. Okay, in less than 2 minutes it's already credited. All right, now I'm going to go to Quotex to deposit the BTC that we bought. The reason why I use Binance is because where I am, I do not have the bank payment method directly to Quotex. Okay, so now you click on BTC, and the minimum amount for depositing using BTC on Quotex is $50 US dollars. All right, so please let me know in the comment section if you have bank payment option, if you can deposit directly on your bank, and where you are, like which country you are. But I think in UAE you have to use another wallet, another e-wallet or crypto wallet like that. So crypto is the thing, and so if you have a promo code, again you can put it in, and so this time round, since I had already used the 20% the other time, now I'm going to use the 50% this time. Is it 30%? The promo code. All right, so Quotex is cool, guys. So you want to copy the address exactly as it is. You copy it, and with BTC it's just that one network. It's not like USDT. You have to know whether it's TRC20, whether it's ERC20, whether it's what 20. Okay, so it's BTC, done, halas. So you click, you go to your Binance, and you click on withdraw. Then you put in the address, you paste the address that you copied from Quotex, the other side. It has to be the same address, even the amount. You have to copy the amount just to be sure, guys. So you have to put the exact amount that you say you want to deposit. You have to put it here in your Binance account for withdrawal. Okay, so again I'm copying the amount, and I'm going back to my Binance and put the amount that I want to deposit, or rather to withdraw from Binance to, as you can see, it's on my spot wallet. Okay, if your money is on funding wallet, you want to make sure that it's on funding wallet option. Okay, you do it in funding wallet, whichever it is. All right, so you go to you click on get code for Binance. You click on that yellow get code for email verification and for the phone number verification. So you'll have turned on the two-factor verification so that nobody tampers with your accounts in this, guys. So you go to your email, and then you copy that verification code that they sent for you, and then you check on your mobile phone that you used to register, that you attached on your Binance. You put it there. All right, you put it in the section. I'm trying to look for my code. Okay, so it's on a different phone, so I'm just writing out. I just copied if it's in the same device. Okay, so these videos, and then you submit. So these videos are done on mobile. If you don't have a PC and you're wondering how to do it on mobile, so just subscribe to this channel and you'll not be disappointed. Let's stand together, because sharing is caring. Share the video to your friends, to those that you feel it could be of help. And yeah, it's pretty much that. Then you go back to so you refresh. All right, as you can see, it has been deducted. Your money, your crypto has been deducted on this end. Is it deducted or not yet? Okay, it's not yet deducted. You can just keep refreshing, just a few minutes, and then I'm going to pause the video so that I come back when it's already reflected the other side. Okay, so it's so easy and it doesn't take a lot of time. It's so transparent, and here it's processing. Yes, you just have to wait. Estimated completion time. Please know that you will receive an email once it is completed. Okay. Yep, let's wait. As you like this video, as you comment down below, what's your favorite e-wallet? What do you use to deposit on your Quotex? Do you use bank? Do you use BTC? Do you use USDT? Okay, so here it's done. On this side, it's not done. Okay, it's done. So the 114.85 US dollars has been deposited. Okay, so you can start trading right away. Yeah, it takes less than 10 minutes. 10 is even a lot. Yeah, usually less than that. Okay, so you just refresh and go to trading down here and start trading. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about business, about trading, about forex, about crypto, about everything with love regardless. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.